Hi friends, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So as the slide represents, let's see how to reduce the loss in Ironfly. Alright, so this is very important guys. So don't ever look at the profit. Ideally, when you are able to mitigate your loss, when you're able to work on the loss, right, profit is byproduct. Alright, so let me take you to my this thing. So basically today I have deployed a Ironfly. Okay, let me show you the proof. So maybe, so these are my legs guys, these are the Ironfly, right, the same 10 lots. Let me show you the time, whether it shows time. 1 second, order details. Maybe today, yeah, so today at 1:30 guys, today at close to 1:30 I have deployed a Ironfly. Let me again show you this thing also. uh, Order details almost like 1:30 ish, right? Even let me show you this thing also, because I mean I show everything live guys. I mean, see, I can show you miracles in Obstra the way the other traders do, but I'm just showing you my live trade. Okay, so at 1:30 1:35 I've deployed a Ironfly, and look at the Ironfly. It is not every time that you have to deploy the Ironfly with equal loss on the put side and on the call side, right? So my view was sideways to bearish, right? With that view I've just deployed this Ironfly just to show you the view, right? So this is my price action in Bank Nifty. If you look at the Bank Nifty, this is the 1 day time frame. So basically I use the 1 day time frame followed by 1 hour for my positional trade. But looking at the 1 day time frame, this is resisting, right? I mean, this is taking as a resistance. So somehow my view is sort of sideways to bearish, right? That's what, right? Sideways to bearish. With that reason, I've just deployed the Ironfly in such a way that I have like very less loss on the PE side, or else I mean I have like more loss on the call side also, right? It might be right, it might be wrong. I do the price action, just to get the view. I'm not predicting the market. It can go up also. If this goes up, right, we will end up doing the adjustments. If this comes down, what happens is like, right, mitigating this loss will be easy. If someone asks me, if at all your view is bearish, right, sideways to bearish, why didn't you deploy the put debit spread? Yes, I could have deployed the put debit spread also, but I mean somehow I wanted to deploy because I have like other contra trades in the form of spreads. So this is as a contra. All right, so now look at the loss guys. This has 38,875 for 10 lots. Okay, this loss is on the call side, and you have 13,000 change loss on the put side. Don't get afraid by looking at this loss. I do not give any importance for this profit guys. Believe me, whenever I deploy the trade, I do not give any I am not expecting 14% profit in a week of time. If your takeaway is 14% per week, you are not, you are a gambler basically, not less than a gambler. You are a gambler. But check the loss, 6%, right? So now I'll show you like how to decrease, how to reduce the maximum loss. Okay, so now already my trade is giving me like 1 plus percentage, right? Within like 2 hours I've deployed this trade at 1:30, so 2:30 3:30 at the end of the market, when the market closed, it is, this is almost giving like 2000 profit on a capital of 4 lakhs. Is this okay? Then in that case it is not 1%, right? Ideally I thought this was like 3 lakhs, but I'm not sure, like, but still this is giving me the profit. Now let me show you. So today when I deployed this trade at the market hours, I was not at this system. I was out basically for my son's intermediate admission. But let me show you, right? If at all I would have been at the screen, if I would have been like monitoring the screen, what I would have done is like, okay, now loss is 6%, just go. So I will just book this. I just try to do the reverse buying. Simple friends, I'm just trying to do the reverse buying because market stands here, so I'll be getting like golden opportunity to do the reverse buying on the opposite side. Simple. What is reverse buying? We have to exit 44,500. Let me show you. 44,000 we have to exit, and then let's say if I'm buying like one strike below, that's it, right? I'm just rolling down. What is the quantity? Let me make this quantity as 10. No rocket science, right? If I do this, right, if I do this, what am I trying to do? I'm just 87 minus 67, almost by just giving 17 rupees, right? By just giving 17 rupees, I've made the loss to 18,000 from 20. What was the original loss? The original loss was 38,000. From 38,000, all right, from 38,000 loss, I'm able to make the loss just to, how much is that? 18,000, by just paying a premium of 17 rupees guys. You have to know. If you do not know what is reverse buying, go back to my playlist and watch the reverse buying. I cannot explain you what is reverse buying. So reverse buying is something like whenever the market stands at the testing side, this is a testing side, we end up doing the reverse buying just to decrease the loss. That's it, guys. Yes, this has its own consequences, right? Your profit will reduce, your range would reduce, but right, first of all, we need to work on the loss. Right away you were able to reduce the loss from 38,000 to almost like 18,000. But if at all, if someone, see, my view is sideways to bearish, but if at all you want to reduce this loss also, see, let me show you one more thing. If I just reduced it by 200 points, that's it, guys. If I reduced it by 200 points, right, I've exited 44,500 and then 44,300, my loss is zero. From 38,000, from 38,000 loss, it has become zero, guys, on the put side. Yes, this as 24,000, but all depends on the view. Now don't say, right, even I have to reduce, even I can tell you how to reduce this loss also, right? I'll tell you how to reduce this loss also, if at all. But the consequences would be the range will reduce. But end of the day, guys, still you have up to 12%, and I'm not expecting 12% profit. I would be happy if I get like 1%, 2% per week. Now what I'll try to do here, your loss has become zero. Now if at all you want to reduce the loss here also, what you can do is like, okay, let me show you, right? The advantage of playing with lots is like, let's say you're doing 5 profit booking, that's it, right? This will the even here your loss will reduce 19,000 and 19,000. Now you have a good profit range, but let us go for 10. Right now you have to play with this lots. If at all you want to reduce this loss also, because initially this loss was, how much was this loss, right? This was 13,000. The moment you have done the reverse buying with 200 points, your loss has increased to 24,000, but your view was bearish. But what you can do is like exit 43,600, which is 43, exit this 43,600 and get roll up by 100 points, same 10 lots, because we are trading with 10 lots, right? Check the significance now. The moment you do this, now your loss has reduced to 10,000 on both sides, guys. That's it. So now initially your loss was, one second, let me show you. Initially your loss was 6%, right? By just doing some simple adjustments, reverse buying and rolling up on the testing side, you are able to reduce your loss from 6% to 1.5%. Still you have 10%, up to 10% profit. Right now you have to play. It's all up to you. See, nothing, no rocket science we have discussed, guys. My trade is already in green, right? What I'm doing is like, I've done a reverse buying by 200 points, and then I've done the what do we say, roll up by just 100 points on the put side. Let me get it to 44,400, only 100 points, that's it. Now this is what I wanted to do, right? Let me again show you. This was the original, right? The spread difference was 200. I'll just go by 100 points, that's it. So now my loss from 38,000, my original loss was 38,000. From 38,000, right, and this was like almost like 13,000, I believe, right? 13,000. By just doing this minor adjustment, right, my loss has reduced to 3,775 on the PE side, and then just to 26,075 on the call side. Guys, you can just play around with this. Believe me, right? You should know the consequences. Basically, you should know what is this reverse buying, why are you doing the roll up, why are you doing the roll down. Unless and until you know, you'll be not able to understand. So just in case if someone is not clear, go back to my YouTube channel, you go to the playlist, search for the Ironfly, then you will have a complete end-to-end package on the Ironfly, right? Even today with my Ironfly, guys, I made almost like 2% on the capital deployed. I mean, the view went absolutely wrong. The Ironfly, we have changed the Ironfly, we have done this many adjustments, and then we have deployed a put ratio spread and everything. So this is giving me almost like 2% of the capital deployed. And then let me show you guys. This is my USD INR. Simple, guys. USD INR. I've deployed today morning, so this is giving me almost, how much is this, right? Almost like close to like 1+% within a day. And let me show you the price action of the Ironfly, guys. Let me show you. That's it, right? This is my third consecutive trade in the Ironfly, guys. This is my third consecutive green trade in my Ironfly. And even see, check this, I'm just trading from this. So first I've deployed a broken call butterfly. I got with 10% profit. Second, I've deployed a 1:1 trade. I got with good profit, and then today almost I'm getting with good profit. Okay, let me. So if at all you want to see, guys, just go and watch this video. Right, full trade logic. In even last week, Ironfly, I made like almost like 15K on a capital of 2.3 lakhs. The entire trade logic will be here in this video. How I made almost like 10% with the USD INR. You have the entire trade logic, guys, and this is what we do, guys. Right, this is my paid mentorship program. Just in case if someone wants to be part of my paid mentorship program, wherein we discussed about the unique adjustments, contra trades, and all those things, right? You will find the description in the YouTube, in the below YouTube description. Check out my course, and I have given you many sample videos. Just in case if you're interested to join my course, just go through those sample videos. If you feel like it makes worth, then you can join the course. Right? This is what we keep on discussing in our paid mentorship program. All the adjustments what I do, and the other thing is like I would recommend you to please join my Telegram channel. Sorry, not Telegram, the YouTube, the Twitter channel, guys. So wherein I'll be like sharing you all the trade logics. I mean, do not miss this opportunity. Right, the same thing, how the ratio spread with price action, right? My iron fly, all the trade, right? The price action, what we discuss, right? Everything I'll be sharing in the Twitter. But again, just in case if someone wants to join my paid mentorship program, right? So we have the current batch going with 226 members, right? Please give it a try. Just go to the below description, watch out for the videos. I mean, just go watch the sample videos, and you can just check out my codes. All right, guys. So anything which I've missed it out. See, yeah, one more thing, guys. I mean, this is out of this thing. So basically, see what we do is like, I mean, this M stock I've started from the month of February, from the maybe from Feb last week, I believe. So I'm just using a fund of like 2 to 2.5 lakhs, at max 3 lakhs, right? We have been trading since from let me show you, like since from March 1st till 18th, I've made almost like 1,52,000 profit on a capital of 2 lakhs ideally. But even if I take it as a buffer of 3 lakhs, right, on a, so almost I've like made like 50% profit in 50 days, and these are all the live trades. So let me show you, right? Let me generate the report for you. So I'll go back to like, ideally I've started at the February 21st. Even if I select the February 21st, right, till date, if I submit, right, I made almost like 1,55,000, and this is the main culprit, guys. I mean, right, for a 1,55,000, we are giving the 24,000 as the STTG. I mean, all the charge, brokerage is zero, but STT and all those charges, right? I mean, if you look at my trade logic, though you see this smaller profit, but this is only on a capital of 25,000. Believe me, guys, I deploy 25,000 from my pocket, from my capital. Remaining 75,000, I take it from the M stock. That is called the E margin trade. These are all E margin trade, guys. Okay, I deployed 1x, 3x capital, 3x margin is given by the M stock, and majority of the trades will start as a intraday. The moment I get like 1% profit, so that is equivalent to 4x profit. I've already made videos on my E margin in my YouTube video. If at all you have some time, guys, just go and, one second, let me show you whether I have that video. I made something like E margin trade, right? This one, guys, just go and watch this 1 hour 59 minutes video, wherein I've discussed about all the details about the e-margin, where you'll not get such type of video anywhere on the YouTube. Everyone talks about the either the negatives or the positives, but I've given the entire description about negative and positive, right? Watch this video, your thought process will change. Either you are skeptical about doing the e-margin because no YouTuber will tell you all the bare minimum things what I've discussed it here, or else few of the YouTubers will say don't go for e-margin, that will screw up your capital. Yes, it does, but with proper money management, with proper risk management, you can do. And basically, if you need to have the price action. That's what you're going to learn in my paid mentorship program, right? One somewhere I've made one video, right? 1x is equal to 4x. I don't know where exactly is that, guys. Right, one second, let me check. Right, see, I've just shared like profit of 55K in just 3 days with low risk defined option strategies. I mean, all the profit and loss I'll be sharing you, but let me show you live, guys. Let me show you live one more time. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, and now check the red colors, right? Check the red colors. How many trades I have, guys? See these many trades, right? I mean, I think we have like 50 to 60 trades. If you look at my success rate, see, one is red, two is red, right, third one and fourth one. That's it, guys. Out of 60 to 70 trades, only 4 trades went in red. That's it. Rest everything went in green. This 3,000 profit is on 25,000 capital. This 1,835 is on 25,000 capital. Guys, you have to trust. This 3,000 is capital is on 25,000, right? So maybe at times I go for 2 lakhs also. Yeah, this, if you look at this 2 lakhs, right? Majority of the trades will be like 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh, right? I mean, this, check this. I might have re-entered in Asian Paints multiple times, right? So I made almost like 8,835 on a capital of 1 lakh. That's it. Because if it shows like 4 lakhs, 1 lakh is mine and 3 lakhs comes from the M stock. That's it. Whatever total you see, if you see the 1 lakh 40,000, so maybe 30,000 is mine and the remaining capital is from the M stock. And I start with intraday, but what I do is like the interest part is only gets calculated on one place, on T plus 2 days. So majority 70% of the trades are intraday. I do not pay any single interest also, but just in case if I'm holding it for more than 2 days, so then I end up paying 6.99 per year, guys. 6.99% per year. So if you divide that by number of days, I mean, you just imagine what interest you are paying. All right, but let me show you guys. I made almost like 1,55,000. Even if you take the capital of 3 lakhs, ideally I deployed 2 lakhs. Even if you take it as 3 lakhs, so we made almost like 50% in a span of 50 days. Right? If at all you want to know more about this thing, right, join my paid mentorship program. Even with a small capital, also you can play, because check the probability, guys. Right? These are all my real trades. Check the probability. Out of 70 stocks, 4 stocks went in red. That's it. Rest everything are in green. And this is what I keep on sharing with my students. All right. So did I missed anything, guys? Did I missed anything? 1 second. Right, we discussed about the USD and yeah, please join my Twitter. Okay, you will find the handle, right. Anyways, you will find my Twitter handle in the below description also. You can join. All right, thank you, guys.